Section 1, Children Act 1989, as amended by the Children and Families Act 2014. The new Section 1, which incorporates all the recent amendments, reads as follows. Section 1, subsection 1 states, when a court determines any question with respect to open brackets, close brackets A, the upbringing of a child, or open brackets, close brackets B, the administration of a child's property, or the application of any income arising from it, the child's welfare shall be the court's paramount consideration. Section 1, subsection 2 states, in any proceedings in which any question with respect to the upbringing of a child arises, the court shall have regard to the general principle that any delay in determining the question is likely to prejudice the welfare of the child. Section 1, subsection 2a states, a court, in the circumstances mentioned in subsection 4a or subsection 7, is, as respects each parent within subsection 6a, to presume, unless the contrary is shown, that involvement of that parent in the life of the child concerned will further the child's welfare. Section 1, subsection 2b states, in subsection 2a, involvement means involvement of some kind, either direct or indirect, but not any particular division of a child's time. Section 1, subsection 3 states, in the circumstances mentioned in subsection 4, a court shall have regard in particular to, open brackets, close brackets A, the ascertainable wishes and feelings of the child concerned, open brackets, considered in light of his age and understanding, close brackets, open brackets, close brackets B, his physical, emotional and educational needs, open brackets, close brackets C, the likely effect on him of any change in his circumstances, open brackets, close brackets D, his age, sex, background and any characteristics of his which the court considers relevant, open brackets, close brackets E, any harm which he has suffered or is at risk of suffering, open brackets, close brackets F, how capable each of his parents and any other person in relation to whom the court considers the question to be relevant is of meeting his needs, open brackets, close brackets G, the range of powers available to the court under this act in the proceedings in question. Section 1, subsection 4 states, the circumstances are that, open brackets, close brackets A, the court is considering whether to make, vary, or discharge a Section 8 order, and in the making, variation or discharge of the order is opposed by any party to the proceedings, or, open brackets, close brackets B, the court is considering whether to make, vary, or discharge a special guardianship order or an order under Part 4. Section 1, subsection 5 states, where a court is considering whether or not to make one or more orders under this Act with respect to a child, it shall not make the order or any of the orders unless it considers that doing so would be better for the child than making no order at all. Section 1, subsection 6 states, in subsection 2a, parent means parent of the child concerned, and for the purposes of that subsection, a parent of the child concerned, open brackets, close brackets A, is within this paragraph if that parent can be involved in the child's life in a way that does not put the child at risk of suffering harm. And, open brackets, close brackets B, is to be treated as being within paragraph A unless there is some evidence before the court in the particular proceedings to suggest that involvement of that parent in the child's life would put the child at risk of suffering harm, whatever the form of the involvement. Section 1, subsection 7 states, the circumstances referred to are that the court is considering whether to make an order under section 4, subsection 1c, or section 2a, subsection 2a, or 4ZA, subsection 1c, or subsection 5, parental responsibility of parent other than mother. Should you require any further information or resource regarding Section 1 of Children Act 1989, please visit www.tinedu.uk. Alternatively, you may want to view other videos produced by Tinedu Limited on YouTube channel Tinedu. Thank you.